At first glance, the architecture looks primitive. A 500 cubic inch Hemi V8 with two valves per cylinder and a pushrod valve train, but it is built for pure brute force. On top sits a massive supercharger ramming air at an immense 65 psi of absolute boost directly into the engine block. The internal resistance is so massive that it leaches roughly 1000 horsepower from the crankshaft just to spin the rotors. The net output is over 11,000 horsepower. It hits 0 to 100 mph in less than a second and 0 to 330 mph in 3.6 seconds. Most engines are engineered to outlast the vehicle they power, but the top Fuel Dragsters engine is engineered to survive exactly 900 revolutions before total mechanical failure. In a single 4-second run, this engine consumes around 5 gallons of fuel. That means it burns over 70 gallons of fuel in a single minute. A massive mechanical fuel pump floods the block so aggressively that the engine constantly skirts the edge of hydraulic lock. It uses nitromethane instead of normal racing gasoline. But why nitromethane? The answer is massive engineering paradox. Nitromethane actually comes with its own oxygen and it generates 4 times less heat than the regular fuel. It also brings one more lethal advantage. Standard gasoline needs 14.7 parts of air to burn. Nitromethane requires only 1.7 parts. Because it doesn't rely on pulling in massive amounts of outside air, engineers can pack 8 to 9 times more fuel into the exact same cylinders. When detonated, cylinder pressures spike to a shattering 13,000 psi, physically warping the solid billet block under the strain. Detonating this volume of fuel creates a catastrophic thermal threshold. Combustion chamber temperatures exceed 3800 degrees Celsius. The massive 44 ampere dual magnetos feed the spark plugs, but by half track, the shear heat melts the electrodes entirely. For the final 2 seconds, there is no spark. The engine auto-ignites, dieseling violently off its own glowing white-hot exhaust valves. The massive flames shooting from the Zomi headers aren't just exhaust, it's raw, unburnt nitromethane detonating the moment it hits atmospheric oxygen. Putting 11,000 horsepower to the ground shatters traditional drivetrains. There is no gearbox. A pneumatically timed multi-disc carbon clutch progressively engages millisecond by millisecond to prevent the real slicks from the instant turning to smoke. The tires themselves act as dynamic components. The low-pressure sidewalls wrinkle, storing kinetic energy, while centrifugal force expands their diameter at high speeds, effectively changing the final drive ratio mid-run. Aerodynamically, the massive physical thrust from the upward-angled exhaust headers alone generates 1,000 pounds of downforce, complementing the 10,000 pounds generated by the rear wing to prevent the chassis from going airborne. The moment the parachutes deploy, the engine is effectively dead. In under 40 minutes, a crew must completely disassemble the block. Crankshaft bearings are crushed, connecting rods are stretched, and valves are replaced. It is pure uncompromising engineering nightmare, a masterpiece built to completely destroy itself in the relentless pursuit of speed. To stay connected for more deep dive videos, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.